In this video we're going to create a part from a revolve, which is slightly different to what we've been doing before through extruding. What we use this for is for round parts that are a little bit more complex to draw. So as always, need to change projects or create a new one. Don't forget to change the style library, right click. Okay, so let's open a new part. Okay, when we start to sketch a part that we're going to revolve, the first thing we always put in is a center line. So start the line command off, turn it to a center. What I tend to do really is I just tend to drop a line over here and then put the middle of it on the center. So one dimension needed is just the length of the line. So we'll ignore that in this instance. Okay, so what we're going to do is we only need to draw a section of our bearing, and then what we're going to do is revolve it around this centre line in a minute. So we'll start off with a rectangle, and I forgot to turn centre line off, so I'm just going to grab that and turn it off. Okay, I just need to watch it again because it's still on. Okay, so I'm going to put a radius in there. I'm going to trim out the bits I don't need. Okay, so let's put some geometry in. Let's make sure that all of these parts are sitting symmetrical about the middle. Okay, so there's another one just to fix that. Horizontal. That line is horizontal. What we need to do is get the end point and do the same with this side. We did that. We could have made that point and that point horizontal and then use this collinear one to do that line and that line. Doesn't really matter as long as it works. Okay, so we're happy with that. We can now put some dimensions on. So it's 20 wide. Okay, and this is a radius of 6. And we're going to do these dimensions from this center line. So I click the center line and click the outside, which is going to be 50 millimeters. You see it's already put the diameter symbol in because we've got a center line. It knows it's round, so it's automatically jumped into a diameter command, and then we'll just pop that one on there. Again, same thing, 30. Okay, so it doesn't say fully constrained, it says one dimension needed, but it is the length of this line. So we're happy with that. Finish the sketch. Then we can click on this line. Instead of doing extrude like we normally do, we'll pick revolve. It finds a closed profile and it just whizzes it all the way around, full 360 degrees. So we've got some options here. We can type an angle in, we can do it between faces, stuff like that. Hit OK, and now we've just got some chamfers to do. There's 4 chamfers. So start chamfer command up. It's that edge, this one here, and that one through the other side there. It is 2. I did that one wrong. So the chamfers were wrong. It should be 2 on the outside and 1 in the middle. So the easiest thing to do, rather than edit it, is just quicker to do it again. This time we'll just do it as 2. Chamfer. Those 2 are 2 millimeters, and then this one and this one just a bit smaller. They're 1. There we go. Don't forget to save it and give it a sensible name. And there we've got a part created with a revolve.